Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I will show you how to upload 3D photos in your Facebook application. So the app settings are common for all Android and iOS platforms. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial, and here you can see this is my 2D photo. So by using this Facebook app, I convert this 2D photo into 3D model. So first of all, open your Facebook mobile application. So now in this newsfeed section, simply you can press that write something here column. So in top it shows one description column. So if you write anything about your photo, just use this column. So otherwise you can leave it. So once you write the description and then press 3D photo feature, and it is placed followed by GIF option. And sometime it may be asked for your gallery access permission. So just click to allow it. And my mobile gallery is opening. So here I try to pick one of my favorite image file. And this is the 2D photo. And this 2D photo is now starts to converting the 3D model. So finally here you can see now my 3D model is ready to use. And if you like to tag this photo to your loved one, just use this option. So otherwise just click to post this 3D model into your Facebook timeline. So overall I complete my tutorial to upload the 3D models on your Facebook timeline. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.